Southern Angel Stamping. I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator, and I just wanted to share a small haul that I got. It's supposed to be an unboxing, open box, but I had already done the video and had some technical issues, so I'm having to redo the video and show you. So I apologize for that. So I'm gonna just redo it and show you what I got, because I wanted to share everything with you to show you. This is just a few little items. First of all, I got one of their nice pretty mats. Isn't that nice? I got the one with flowers on it, so now when I'm creating cards and stamping and stuff, you'll get to see this on the background. So, and then I got one of their real nice chamois, and just love the color. These are really nice. You just use water. You don't have to use any stamp cleaner unless you're using like StazOn or something. Then you have to use a cleaner. But if you're just using the regular inks, you know, that or Memento ink, then all you need is water on one of these chamois and it will clean it up. Now, it will stain these, but you don't have to worry about it. They will come clean. All you have to do is go to your sink, wash it out with just a little bit of regular dishwashing detergent. I use the Mrs. Meyer's when I do, and wash it out, wringing all the soap out real good, and then it's good as new. I did order me a case, so that should be coming pretty soon. One of the regular, just I believe it's about this size, one of the little stamp cases to put it in. And so that should be coming soon with a few other little items I ordered, because I wanted another stamp block and a couple other little things I ordered. So I've got another order coming, because my sweet husband really ordered this for me. He went on my site, bless his heart, and he ordered all this using my host code before that expired. So, and my daughter did the same thing, so that's what's coming. The last day of the host code, she went and did that, because I didn't have any orders that no one had used my host code for me. So they were sweet enough. They went on and they made each an order using my host code. So bless their heart. And they just got some things that they knew that I was needing and did that. So I really was very thankful that they were able to do that. So it helped me in several ways. It gave me the supplies. It gave me 2 small sales, and by using the host code. So anyway, it was very nice of them to help me out like that. Okay, so anyway, I got the block A, B, and I have C coming, and G, because I knew I was needing those. I'm gonna have to get me even some more of these, because I use these a lot, A and B. So I got those, and I tell you what, I'm really glad I got these too, because these, if you don't have the Stampin' Up! Blocks, I really suggest you get them, because they have those little finger grips there. And I have arthritis and carpal tunnel and stuff, so I've got some clear blocks, and they're really thin. I've actually had to put some tape on them just to be able to, because I can't keep my fingers on them. They're so thin. So I put some clear packaging tape on them to help me hold on to them. But these, I don't have to do that, because I can actually hold on to them. So I really love the Stampin' Up! Blocks. Now, Paper Pumpkin's a little bit thicker, but I still have a little bit problems on it, so I actually put the packaging on that as also. So if you're having problems with holding your paper pumpkin block, that's a tip you can do, is put a little packaging tape on it, make you a little tab. Or if you have any of those other little thin blocks. So, and then if you can get you any of these, you know. So that's what I did. And then I got me a pack of the Bright Series 6x6 paper, what will match all of my Bright's Stampin' Up! Pads, since I didn't have that. And I guess I can show you real quick. The colors. That's the, let's see. Yeah, this is the Daffodil Delight. This is, I think it is a pair. Let's see. I'm not sure if it's Melon Mambo or Poppy Per. I think it might be Melon Mambo. Let's see. Yeah, I think this is Melon Mambo. This is, I'm still learning the colors, Mango Melody. This is Bermuda Bay, I think. Is that Bermuda Bay? I'm gonna scratch this, I'm not even sure. I think so. And this is, well, this looks like Melon Mambo too. Okay. I guess that looks like Melon Mambo. Bermuda Bay. Daffodil Delight. Okay, now this one looks like Coastal Cabana. Mango Melody. This one looks like Mango Melody to me. This one looks like another Coastal Cabana. Here's my favorite. Gorgeous Grape. And there's two of everything in here, but for some reason, which I'm not complaining since this is my favorite, there's three of the Gorgeous Grape. This is the Flirty Flamingo. Flirty Flamingo again. Oop. Gorgeous Grape. Well, okay. What did I do here? How have I got different ones? Oh, here we go. This is the Pacific Point. Aren't these just beautiful? I love these. These are great for summer, to make summer cards. Okay, this is Pacific Point again. This is, Granny Apple Green. Granny Apple Green again. This, I think this, yeah, this is Poppy Parade right here. And this is Poppy Parade. So there's all the colors in that stack. And these are 6x6 Designer Series Brights collection. So, and you can get these now. And these like I said, all the Brights inks that I just called out to you. And you can find all of this on my site, which will be linked down below. So I thank you for watching. If you have any questions about anything, please feel free to ask, and I'll answer your questions. So please share, please, yeah, please make sure you share so other people can see and know that I am a demonstrator now. And thank you for watching, and thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to all my subscribers, and I'll be having more videos coming up very soon. Thank you, and have a blessed day. Bye-bye.